Alright, viewers. Right then, as the story goes. So as you saw on the previous vid, I've been using the bike all week for work. So Friday, yesterday morning, or yesterday dinner time anyway, and I was going down the street to get the fuel, as I said. Because I started work at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock till midnight. Saw a few spots of rain as I was filling the bike up, and about 2 minutes later it was chucking it down. So I was wet through, not too bad, but t-shirt was wet underneath and my arms were wet and whatever. But anyway, the rain eased off by the time I got to Zurich, and the roads were a bit obviously covered in spray and that, you know. But anyway, got to work, hung me stuff up so hopefully it'll dry by the time I came back at night. So, as I was on the airport, airside around, I don't know, 10:30 at night, I could see the lightning in the distance and I thought, oh, for fuck's sake, here we go. So, obviously when I got back, I finished work a little early, 11:30. I got my damp riding gear on and got out the road. It wasn't raining. I thought, oh, could be lucky here, like. But a few miles down the road, and this happened. Check out the lightning flashes. Ah, shit. Oh, you lad, that fucking hell. Whoa. Whoa, fucking hell. Have you ever? Come on, fucking move! Come on, fucking move, man! Fucking hell. Fucking hell. So folks, you get the gist, eh? It was absolutely pissing down. Man's rain, proper man's rain. None of this bloody girly whirly stuff. This was man's rain. Bloody hell. It was virtually horizontal coming at us, and I could feel it through the jacket onto my arms. Why, it was bloody painful. And I had this the whole way home, and my boots were full of water. And when I got off the bike and home, all I could hear was squelch, squelch, squelch. Oh man, I've got the stuff hanging outside trying to dry. It's now drying. My gloves are sopping like a bloody diver. So anyway folks, I hope you enjoyed it and got the gist. So, oh, and I forgot to say, I didn't even think about changing the bike onto wet setting, rain setting. I just carried on as normal on the normal road setting. Managed me all right. And you know, there'll be a lot more experienced riders out there than me for sure. So, but I was all right with it, and the bike did champion, as did the camera. I have to say, for the pictures you can see, it done pretty good. Like the Senna, now I've slagged it off, but the Senna 10C Pro just came through. So anyway, folks, that's it. Come on. I keep saying it, but subscribe. Costs you nought. And give us a thumbs up and a comment, eh? Okay? Auf Wiedersehen.